From a high-speed bike weaving through heavy highway traffic in Arkansas, to a desperate suspect bailing into a field after a brutal dirt road pursuit, and so much more. These are the most intense ASP chases ever caught on camera. Which moment did you find most intense? Let us know in the comments. On the 17th of June 2023, southwest of Little Rock, Arkansas State Police spotted a blue dirt bike popping a wheelie right in front of a cruiser. Instead of pulling over, the rider twisted the throttle and initiated a high-speed pursuit.
Passenger.
20.
This rider is pulling some incredibly risky moves, squeezing between cars and tearing through parking lots to exploit the dirt bike's nimble handling.
Is it going to be the dirt bike?
10-4, black male, black shirt, white helmet, going north on Guyer Springs. Traffic's medium, Traeger.
10-4.
20.
That's 25, 10-4.
We're still northbound, going under 30.
We're also the units in there, 1063, 1063.
Despite temporary evasion, the suspect is spotted again in a nearby lot by Trooper William Cash, showing that running from the law only delays the inevitable.
Stop.
Heading onto the interstate, this rider keeps pulling crazy wheelies at high speeds, turning the highway into a personal stunt track with zero regard for safety.
Stop, state police, stop.
Okay, we're on Texas 130.
That's 25, 10-4.
70, 90.
10-4.
Getting back on the service road, Otter Creek.
10-4, back on the service road.
Girl, take that parking lot.
Little Rock.
He's going to become the baseline. Everybody's close. Guys, 10-42 that. Don't go the wrong way up the service road.
It's going to be back going towards,
Going towards, 81. Northwest, going back towards 31st, we on that service road.
The pursuit ended when the suspect escaped down a narrow path. Arkansas State Police lost sight of the dirt bike and terminated the chase. The suspect's identity remains unknown, and no arrest was made. Fleeing from law enforcement is a felony in Arkansas, carrying severe prison time and heavy fines if caught. Stay safe on the road. On September 7, 2022 in Arkansas, an Arkansas State Police trooper spotted a motorcycle committing a traffic violation. Instead of pulling over, the rider decided to twist the throttle and run, initiating a high-speed pursuit. The suspect pushes the bike past 110 miles per hour, recklessly overtaking traffic on a narrow two-lane road. This high-speed weaving shows a complete disregard for public safety. In a desperate move to lose the patrol car, the rider makes a sharp turn onto a loose gravel road. Riding a street bike on dirt at these speeds is a bad idea, and physics is about to take over.
Hey, stop! You better stop! I will tase you! You better stop! You better stop right now!
The rider loses traction, crashes into the dirt, and tries to escape on foot. Trooper Drum quickly catches up and makes the arrest, where the suspect admits he risked his life and others simply because he did not have a valid driver license. On September 4, 2023, Trooper Brandon Truen of the Arkansas State Police tried to pull over a gray sedan, but the driver took off, kicking off a very short and brutal pursuit. As the trooper accelerated to catch up with the speeding vehicle, he failed to avoid a biker who was trying to move aside to let him pass. The biker was later identified as 63-year-old Michael Owens, who tragically lost his life in the crash. Trooper Truen suffered minor injuries and was released from medical care the next day.
passing Griggs Road on 557. White male with a white female on the back. 55 back towards 274. Chester 1050, Chester.
On the afternoon of May 8, 2019, in York, South Carolina, a police pursuit began when Robert David Montgomery III failed to yield after being signaled to pull over for doing 77 in a 45.
Chester D103. I'm trying to catch up to a motorcycle on Caron Road running 77 miles an hour.
While chasing the motorcycle, Trooper Dwayne Bunch radios a description of the biker and acknowledges a female passenger on the back, later identified as Michelle Penrod. That detail will matter nearly 2 years later.
On 557, just passing Griggs Road on 557. White male with a white female on the back. No 1028 displayed on the motorcycle. Yeah, for traffic. Traffic's light. Coming up on Highway 55 in Clover. Highway 55 in Clover, stand by. 55 back towards 274. 55 back towards 274 in Clover.
As the clock passes 3 p.m. and students are being dismissed, Montgomery pushes his motorcycle to 108 miles per hour, recklessly blowing past numerous school buses in the Clover School District, which serves more than 9,000 kids across 10 schools. At this point, it's safe to say the danger this chase poses to the public outweighs the need to apprehend the suspect, but Trooper Bunch refuses to terminate it, likely because the motorcycle has no license plate, and letting Montgomery go would mean no repercussions at all.
Run the 77 and 45 on Caron Road. Blue Cross Rocket motorcycle. Chester, by the county, please.
10-4-15, right about.
Chester, we're still headed for 274. Speeds are 95. Traffic will come in some moderate traffic. Chester 1050, Chester. Chester, give me EMS code 3.
The motorcycle driven by Montgomery strikes a raised concrete manhole cover after swerving onto a grassy shoulder, hurling both Montgomery and Michelle into the air. Michelle crashes down with multiple fractures, while Montgomery lies on the pavement, groaning in agony, unable to speak and barely clinging to life.
Was that worth it? He smells of alcohol. Don't move, just lay there. Stay still. Hey, buddy. What's your name?
I believe it's 49.
Stay down.
Don't move.
Stop moving. Ambulance is on the way. Don't move.
He don't have a license. He's probably suspended.
The dumbest thing to run for.
What do you think was going to happen when you run from police on a motorcycle? Huh?
The subject's wearing a helmet.
An ambulance arrived in less than 7 minutes and transported both crash victims to a local hospital, where Robert David Montgomery III succumbed to his injuries 3 days later. After surviving with broken bones, Michelle Penrod sued Trooper Dwayne Bunch and the South Carolina Highway Patrol nearly 2 years later, arguing the pursuit was unreasonably dangerous because he continued despite knowing there was a passenger on the bike. The lawsuit went to court, but to this day no final outcome has been made public.